Hello friends. Today I'm going to guide you how to develop the business and what are the latest business development strategy and what are the process how to onboard the client. The first thing very important is marketing and sales. In order to achieve the business, these are the two department you need to handle. Initially you can manage with the sales team, but later on you need to separate the division, marketing division and sales division. Okay, initially the first thing that is a marketing. So there are two strategies for the marketing. One is inbound marketing and second is outbound marketing. So let's me explain what is the inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is a marketing techniques that used to get the customer from the website. There are multiple way for the inbound marketing, and from that, this is something that you are just configuring the process, and you are getting the leads while you are sleeping. Okay, so the first thing that is a website, second is a landing page, the third is a social media, and fourth is a social media paid ads. So these are the four ways you can set up your inbound marketing. Okay, so website, that is you can do the SEO of your website, and anyone can find your services, and based on the services he can come to your website, and he can contact you for your services. Okay, second is the landing pages. So landing pages are also like they are just searching your services, and they directly come to your landing page, and from any of the sources they can just contact you for your services. Okay, the third thing, that is a social media. Okay, so depends on the your business. This is a very generic strategy I'm trying to explain here, but based on the business we need to tailor made these marketing strategies. Okay, so for the social media, the most of the popular, these are the five right now people are using: YouTube, then Facebook, Instagram, Quora, and LinkedIn. So you can post the content in the social media such that people can see your post, and they can attract with your services, and they feel that you have really good knowledge in this your field, and that's way you will get the leads. Okay, next is the social media paid ads. So Google, Facebook, and Instagram are providing you the option for the paid ads. So what's happening in Facebook and Instagram, both are the similar. Both the platform you can, on the both the platform you can configure the ads, and according to the consumer behavior, they will able to see your ads. Okay, for example, you set up your target audience, and according to the target audience, they will able to see your ads. Okay, it will be paid ads, so you need to pay the advance payment to the Facebook, and they will show your ads to your target audience. Okay, the next is a Google ads. So Google ads, how the Google ads works, like for example, you are searching something in a Google, like I wanted to get a new earphone. I can find the website, and from that I can buy the earphone, like that. Okay, so this is how the paid ads is working for the Google. So whenever you search any terminology according to your budget, it will the Google will return your result as a paid ads. Okay, next, second technique, that is the outbound marketing. Okay, so in this process, outbound marketing is something that you are approaching your customer. First you find out who are your target audience, and based on your target audience you are just outreaching to them. That is called outbound marketing. Okay, so first, most popular, that is a B2B platform, that is a LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn outreach, that means you first find out your target audience, you can connect them, and then you can directly send them message and approach them if they need your services. Okay, second thing is email marketing. You can find out the list of your target audience companies, and you can set up one of the any automation tools, and you can send the bulk mailing to thousands of the company who can able to who might be need your service. Okay, and if they have a need and if they have requirement, they can definitely revert you on your email. Okay. The third things, that is a cold calling. So cold calling, that means you have a list of the companies who might be need your services. You can directly call them and convince them if they need your help, or convince them to take your service. Okay. So that is what the cold calling is. The fourth is a bidding portal. You can find a number of bidding portal, and from there you can find your relevant bid, and you can apply the bid. So for example, there is a Upwork, a TopTal, a Guru, a People Per Hour, something like that. Freelancing portals are available. Okay. So this, once you set up the marketing, you will required to work on the sales. Okay. So once, for example, you get the lead, now what? So once if any customer respond you that I need this kind of your services, please share me the quotation. So sales comes in a picture. So in a sales, first you need to convince, like first you need to give the quotation, and then you need to follow up to convince that you are going to provide him best services, whatever he is looking for. Okay. Then you can just propose them you can send them the proposal, best proposal, whatever, like if you are going to give them the best proposal, definitely your chances are selecting your bid is high. And next is give the contract. If everything works fine for both the side, then you can send them contract and start your project. Okay. So this is how the sales and marketing process are working in international business. Okay. So this is overall structure, whatever I explained, I am just provided here. Business development, how the business development work. First you need to go with the marketing. So marketing have a inbound marketing, outbound marketing, and for the both you can try different platforms, different social media platforms, different ways you can market your services. And you can also set up the outreach program to directly talk to your target audience. And then once you get any leads, definitely the sales parts comes in a picture, where you can communicate about the quotation, proposal, and contract. Okay. Thank you. If you have any query, you feel free to reach out to me. I will definitely try my best to respond you as early as possible. Okay. Thank you.